Hello everyone. Hope you are doing very well. What makes one taxi company appear at top of Google Maps while another stay invisible? It's not luck. It's local SEO. In this video, I will show you exactly how Google rank local taxi services and the three ranking signals every transport business must understand. 8 months ago, a taxi company called West Taxi was appeared on page 3 of Google. They were not getting calls, online booking, or visibility on Google Maps. Today, they are consistently appearing Google's local map pack. So, what changed? The three Google ranking factors. Google uses three major signals to rank local business. First, relevance. Does your business accurately match what customers are searching for? If someone searches for airport transfer Innsbruck, your Google business profile and website should clearly mention airport transfer, not just taxi service. Second, distance. Google consider how close your business is to the searcher location. That's why creating dedicated pages for airport nearby towns and service areas can dramatically increase your visibility. Third, prominence. This is your online reputation. Google looks at customer reviews, citations, backlinks, and how trusted your business appears across the web. The stronger your reputation, the higher your chances to ranking. Mapback versus organic search. Here, something many business owners don't realize. Most taxi bookings come directly from the Google Map 3 pack, not the regular search results. Your Google business profile helps your rank in maps. Your website help you ranking in organic search. If you optimize only one, you are missing valuable bookings. Bonus tip and one warning: never stuff keywords into your Google business profile name. It violates Google guidelines and could get your listing suspended. Instead, focus on optimizing your categories, collecting genuine revenues, publishing location specific page, and keeping your business information consistent. Successful local SEO is not just about shortcuts, it's about building relevance, distance, and prominence. If you want more local SEO tips, Google Maps strategies, and real client case study, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to learn more about local SEO case studies, then check this video description and first comment. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.